Imagine your dream home, then imagine it. Even grander, the most expensive houses in the world are the result of architects given free rein and owners. With endless wealth, these luxury homes are customized to match the owners' unique preferences and desires. Hey, luxury enthusiasts, welcome back to our YouTube channel, where we explore the fascinating world of luxury living today. We have something truly extraordinary to share with you. We'll be counting down the top 10 most expensive and luxurious houses in the world. These stunning homes are not just properties, they're masterpieces of architecture and opulence. So grab your popcorn and let's dive into the world of extravagance. Number 10. Ellison Estate, United States. $200 million. Billionaire Larry Ellison owns more than one property, but his Japanese style Ellison Estate in Woodside, California is truly impressive. It's not just one house, it's a bunch of houses on a big property with a man-made lake, a tea house, and a bath house. The estate is built to fit in with the natural surroundings. Number 9. Beyonce and Jay-Z's Malibu Mansion, United States. $200 million in 2023. Famous couple Jay-Z and Beyonce bought California's most expensive house. It's a super modern and minimalist masterpiece, and they didn't hold back on spending money. This huge property is over 30,000 square feet and cost them $200 million. That might sound like a lot, but it's actually a good deal because the house was originally listed for $295 million. Number 8. 18 to 19 Kensington Gardens, United Kingdom. $222 million. Kensington Gardens is a really fancy street in the UK, known for having lots of houses owned by millionaires. But 18 to 19 Kensington Gardens, also known as New Palace, takes fancy to a whole new level. Back in the 1990s, someone bought this neo-Georgian mansion for $5 million after years of fixing it up and spending a whopping $90 million. It went from being the rundown, not quite finished house to a millionaire's dream. Number 7. For Fairfield Pond, United States. $250 million. The Hamptons are known for being a pricey place, but American billionaire businessman Ira Renard's amazing Italian Renaissance-style house for Fairfield Pond is on a whole other level. It's one of the most expensive houses in the United States. This luxury mansion is built for people who like a lot of variety because it has vast grounds and a ton of different things to do. Number 6. The Odin Tower Penthouse, Monaco. $330 million. The Odin Tower Penthouse might not feature a garden, but it does offer spectacular views across Monaco. Known as the world's most expensive flat, it sits at the top of a 560-foot skyscraper overlooking the clear blue waters of the Mediterranean Sea. The Odin Tower Penthouse has its own 360-degree infinity pool, complete with a private water slide for those who fancy a salt-free swim. Number 5. Les Pools, France. $420 million. Possibly the most extravagant home on the French Riviera. The PB or Bubble Palace is a little different from your ordinary million dual house. As its name suggests, this luxury property in the Shire near Ken is shaped like a huge terracotta-colored bubble. A bird's eye view of the Pet Views reveals a collection of circular buildings, and the circle theme continues inside. Number 4. Villa Lacedris, France. $450 million. The century-old luxury mansion was acquired in 2016 by Italy's Campari Group and sold to Ukrainian billionaire and businessman Rat Ahmed in 2019. As well as endless bedrooms and communal spaces, this European luxury mansion has an Olympic-sized swimming pool, a stunning ballroom, and even a stable with room for up to 30 horses. Number 3. Villa Leopolda, France. $750 million. The most expensive private residence in Europe, Villa Leopolda sits between two of the most prestigious parts of the world, Monaco and Nice. Sumptuous and stylish, it's a luxury property on the French Riviera with a regal past that first belonged to King Leopold II of Belgium. Number 2. Antia India. $2 billion. Antia, the world's most expensive private residence, is owned by Mesha Man, the richest person in India, and is named after a mythical island in the Atlantic. This 400,000 feet building sits in the most prestigious postcode in India and reaches 27 floors, with each double height ceiling counting is 2 floors. But despite its huge height, it's designed to withstand huge earthquakes. Number 1. Buckingham Palace, United Kingdom $4.9 billion Buckingham Palace. Might not be put up for sale anytime soon, but if it were, it would be worth around $49 billion, making it the most expensive house in the world with 240 bedrooms, 188 staff rooms, and 52 royal and guest bedrooms, as well as a swimming pool and doctor's surgery. It's a place called home by the British royal family and is also open to the public for guided tours. There you have it, folks, the top 10 most expensive luxury houses in the world. If you ever find yourself with a few $1 billion to spare, perhaps one of these might be your dream home. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more amazing content on luxury.